I told you never to come back here. Now move it before I make you move it.
First of all, take a look at this channel. It has only 23 uploaded videos, yet it is monetized. Let me show you its performance. As you can see, some videos have 12 million views. There are also videos with 2 million views, 933K views, and many others with impressive numbers. You can check whether it is monetized by searching for it on Google Chrome or using websites like Social Blade. The channel's name is Milo the Rat. If you paste the channel link into Social Blade, you can also see its estimated earnings. According to the estimates, its monthly income ranges from around 3.1K to 49K dollars, which is quite impressive. On average, the earnings are estimated to be well above 3.1K per month. The good news is that you can create similar videos too. In today's video, I'll show you for free how to create trending AI videos like these. And before we begin, if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, like the video, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos like this. First of all, friends, what you need to do is open ChatGPT. After opening ChatGPT, copy the first green prompt. Then click on, "Bro, I want my channel to look like this." Okay, click it. Paste the prompt there. After that, ChatGPT may ask you to provide some links, so what you need to do is give 2 to 3 channel links as examples. For example, I'll paste one link here and another one here. These will be the channels whose style of videos I want to create. As soon as I paste those links, ChatGPT will analyze them and figure out what works best for that type of content. Then, it will generate prompts for me. You must follow this exact method. After that, the next step is to copy prompt 1, the red one, prompt 2, the second red one, and the green one below them together. Copy all of them and paste them into ChatGPT. As soon as you paste them, it will generate a short video story for you. I'm talking about shorts first, not long videos, because shorts grow faster and also get monetized quickly. Plus, we can create shorts completely for free. Once I paste the prompts, you can see it creates a 150-word story automatically. Then, it generates scene-by-scene image prompts and video prompts. It gives both image prompts and video prompts exactly in the style I want. The results are really impressive. Now the next question is, how do we create the images and free videos? I'll show you that too. For image generation, the website I use is leonardo.ai. It's an amazing website, and I personally use it myself. Click on Start Now. On this website, you can generate images and videos daily for free. Click on Image. After that, select the model called Phoenix 1.0. I mention this model in every video because its results are excellent. Then click on Custom and make sure the aspect ratio is set to 9:16 because we are creating vertical videos. Now copy the image prompt and paste it there. As soon as you paste the prompt, the image generation will start. You can see the result is amazing. In the same way, keep copying and pasting the prompts one by one and all your images will be generated. The quality is HD and the results look fantastic. You can see all the images are ready now and the output looks incredible. This is how you can easily create images on leonardo.ai. Now, for making the videos, let me tell you which website I use. Now, for video creation, the first website is freevideogen.online. It's a really amazing website and I personally use it myself. You should definitely try it too, especially if you want to create videos for free because the results are high quality and look fantastic. Once you open the website, your screen will look something like this. Don't worry when you see all the options. It's actually very simple to use. What you need to do is upload your image here. After the image is uploaded, paste the prompt in the section below. Then set the video duration. Usually, I keep it between 1 to 5 seconds depending on the scene and what looks best. After setting everything up, click on Generate Video. As soon as you click it, the video generation will start. You can see that the first video is now ready and the result looks amazing. The quality is really impressive and cinematic. Now let me create another video for you as an example. I'll copy the second image prompt, upload the second image, and then copy the video prompt generated by ChatGPT. After pasting the prompt here, I'll click on Generate. Within a short time, the second video will also start generating. It doesn't take much time. This is how you can easily create videos on this website with very good quality results. Now, the second website that I'm going to use for creating videos is also really amazing. Let me show you how you can create videos on that platform as well. Now let's move to the second website, which is also absolutely amazing. We have used this website before as well. The name of the website is Flow Labs. Just search Flow Labs on Google and open the first website that appears. Now let me show you how to use it. First, click on New Project. After that, click on the Start option. Then upload your image. Once the image is uploaded, click on the three dots and then click on Add Prompt. Now simply paste your prompt there. As soon as you paste the prompt, the video generation will start automatically. Now I'll upload the next image as well. After uploading the second image, I'll paste its prompt too. Now both videos will start generating at the same time. The first video is already ready, and let me show you the result. You can see the quality looks amazing and very professional. The output from this website is seriously impressive, and you can easily create high-quality AI videos with it. Now the second video has also started generating, and it's ready too. You can check the result. It looks fantastic as well. So this is how you can easily create AI videos on this website without any difficulty. Now let's move to the next step, where I'll show you how to generate AI voiceovers for free. Now, for generating unlimited AI voiceovers for free, the software I use is called Unlimited AI Tools. With this platform, you can generate free voiceovers daily without any problem. What you need to do is paste your paragraph or script here, whatever text you want to turn into a voiceover. After that, select the voice you like. There are different voice options available such as Blaze, A, and many more. Personally, I think Blaze has the best and most natural voice, so I usually select Blaze. Simply click on Generate Voice. Within a few moments, your AI voiceover will start generating. Now, I'll show you exactly how to edit your videos professionally and turn them into stunning cinematic AI videos with ease. For editing, I'll be using CapCut, one of the best video editing software options available. It's simple, powerful, and perfect for beginners. First, import your AI-generated videos and voiceover into CapCut. Then, start editing them professionally. CapCut comes with amazing features like smooth transitions, cinematic effects, filters, text animations, background music, and much more. You can watch the final result now. Thanks for watching! Please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more upcoming videos.